everyone. Are you facing a Gmail recovery problems or especially you have forgot Gmail password? You have lost your Gmail password or someone who has stolen your Gmail password or in case someone who has hacked your Gmail password. Don't worry. Easy way, of course, you can find out your Gmail password that you lost. This idea is an exceptional case, guys, and this idea has been recommended by especially one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now, he was exhausted. Then, and thereupon, recommended to me to the rescue in this area. So we will try to the rescue in this area. Let's see what's going to happen. We will try to. My motive is very easy that we will try to generate a more alternative option, and we will pick a one best one, and easily there is not needed any recovery email and recovery phone, and easily we can the rescue of it. So how so we will see step by step with real demonstrations. So don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial. Take any smartphones, guys, and if this is a coming so that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours, so then in that condition, of course, we'll have to go for see, we have given two options. One is that to the rescue of your Gmail account, so try again and answer his question. So second is that if any alternative email or the family link is added or was added with especially this email, so then this email, then of course we have the send email to you, the parents, to the change your password. We quit both options. This is not possible from my side, so simply just we will cut it from here, and thereupon of course we will tap on a Play Store. Do this similar strategy, guys. We will come in the Play Store. The Play Store too, of course, we will come in a apps and games search bar, and here we will have to write here. Let's see. We will write here. Yes, we will go for this one. So now that we can see here, this is a Ola browser. Of course, we will tap to install it. So when we tap to install it, has started to install, but of course it will take a time a little bit. Now see, total the size of this especially, I mean the browser is approximately 109 MB, so it will take time. On the other hand, two changes that is very crucial that we will have to do, guys, here. So let's see. We will click on here and see if you have any additional browser, then you can uninstall it. Otherwise, of course, you will have the problem. So we will come now, especially is info, and info to, of course, we will have to go for an install. So click to then install it. Check how many browser except especially two browser, that is especially Google and Google search browser or the Chrome browser especially. So just we will hold this G browser and we will come to app info similarly, and of course taking a smartphones, either it is old one or new ones, that doesn't matter. You will have to, it's very crucial important that you will have to execute step by step similar strategy. Don't miss any opportunity to miss the any step, guys. Now if you are having this kind of, don't panic, and just we will come in especially now in the apps permissions to other locations to, of course we will have to make it the precise location off, and then we'll go for don't allow anyway, so no longer the function is intended settings. For time being I'm doing it, guys, no problem at all. So just we will back one more time, so we will have to back, guys, yeah. And when with the backs, then here is option that open by default, and they remove the permission, the free space that should be disabled, and open by default, so this one also especially open supported links, and that should be disabled. So now this browser is completely off. On the other hand, of course, we have one Chrome browser. We will hold it and we will of course also attempt a similar strategy on it. So we'll tap to off and Yes, once again we will have to back, and one more time so we will have to back. So we will come the permissions to, we will have to tap on locations to make it the customize the precise location off, and click here don't allow, no longer the function is intended, hence this browser also. So now both browser is completely off, so just we will come right there, and here we are waiting. So now 64% has been completed, so more than especially, I mean the 40% we need to complete installations. So let it complete install, and thereupon of course I will show you the easiest way of course ever you can get a more opportunity to generate the particular especially the password. Obviously without having the recovery email and the recovery phone, so sure this can be the possibles, so don't worry. But all the special restrictions according to that you will have to attempt. So let's see. Now almost we have the completed, guys. We need especially 20% is more, so let it complete, and upon the further we will go forward. And any kinds of the confusions, query, of course blindly, you can raise the query in the comment box, you can drop the query in the comments box. Plus would manage to reply or the query, guys, immediately according to other issues. And you can give you can give the screenshot also, no problem at all. And if you're unable to execute the similar way, then you can drop your email if you don't have any objections to disclose your ID in a public domain on the channels, and then of course we will recover and I will deliver to you, don't worry guys. Now we can see especially we have almost the completed, so let it start to install, and after installing so we will open it. So it's a total live. Its second is auditable in front of you guys, and you can watch here. This one's and this one is now it has a completely installs. Now see it's still, yes, now it's ready to open. So we will tap to the opens. Now here as usually, yes, we will have to accept the term and conditions. So just we will go for next and finish. Now what we will do, guys, here we come on a especially search option, and here what we'll do, just simply we will have to write Google, and we will go for especially hit this option. So now it has taken the one server that DuckDuckGo.com so directly, and we come on this list, and of course we will tap on it. So now at the corner of this sign into, of course we will click on it here, and here the particulars we have to remember your ID that you would like to rescue from that. So let's see, and this is the ID that we would like to the rescue of it, guys. So this we will tap to an X, and when we tap on next, then it's asking so that of course enter the password. We don't have the password, so we will have to choose here, that is a forgot password. We don't have a device, so we will have to choose the try another way. Fine, we don't have last password, so we will have to choose try another way. And now what we will do, guys, this is a number that is verified, so with this array. So yes, if you know this last 2-digit number and the all serial, and if you have the function, then get an OTP, and easily you can rescue of your ID by one OTP. But if you don't have, in case you have lost your device, then we will go for I don't have my phone also, guys. So when we clicked on that, then it will say you that answer as many questions as you can, then so you can rescue. Second is that use a device where you have the shine in the before, then you can rescue. And the third is that as usually family link and alternative recovery number, recovery email. Then we have the send an email to the parents to change your password. We quit all options, but here is one option, and that is yes on a green highlighted. Yes, blue highlighted. That is the motives to the rescue of this account. So by picking this one, of course, we can the rescue. But don't click on a try again. So of course, Google will easily detect that I'm trying to the rescue this by different browser. So just we will tap on a especially setting to, of course we will have option in each smartphone. So there is option that Google services and the preferences. So all the Google services we can take assistance from here. So we are tapping on a help options now. Here easily we will be landed here. Just we will have to explain here that hacked Gmail recovery I'm trying to rescue, guys. So now this is the option that secure, hacked or compromised Google accounts you would like to the rescue, of course. So just we will tap on it, and when we tap on it, so then we are landed here. Now what we will do here, just to check it out, review your account activities. Here it is. Second is that review which devices use your account. So we are not going in detail, just my motive to the rescue of this account. So here is just so that find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on it. Tap. Yes, let me. Yes, it's a taking little bit. Of course, now you would be yeah, just when we tap on this hacked. Now see, you would be landed here. That is. Yes, these tips to the camera rescue, and when we tap on it, and then what is going to happen? Check it out that you are on a right recovery page. Right recovery page means what if I can't sign in? What will happen, guys? Create a replacement Google accounts by getting logged out of your Gmail accounts. If the two option is the coming, so then third option we will have to pick that is the alternative, and of course, punish share to other rescue of it. So click on the Google recovery page. You would be directly landed on this. Now don't do extra anything. It's a Google recovery page landed. So just we will click on here. One click, ID would be recommended. And now simply you will have to next. Don't do anything. What is that? It has been rescued, guys. Do you have any doubts? How easily this can be rescued, guys? You can imagine. Yeah. Don't click on a continue in the excitement. So just we will click on this update password, and we have a golden and opportunity. Of course, we have the golden and opportunity to create in the strong password and go for a specially confirmed password and save it. After save it, we will go the inside of the Google security in and Google account management to a security in 2. Of course, we will have to add a firstly alternative email, and if you are added successfully filter especially the particulars the particular alternative or special email, so then you will have no options to remove from this old recovery phone number, and you can add their alternative new phone number. So this ID would be permanently secure, guys. The further these kind of the special and distractions with demo that we cannot show you, we are not in the positions because there is instructions from the viewer that don't show this kind of the things, because this is a privacy concern. There's a lot of the data, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial, but further you will have the inquiry you can drop and we will assist you. Don't worry. So thank you for staying the till end of this tutorial. Hi, this is Technology Welfare, and we'll be back with a step-by-step with new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really supports the channel and also inspire us to make it such as informative tutorial, guys. So thank you for visiting Technology Welfare. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.